For the parabola 2y square plus 3y minus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0, find focus, vertex, axis, lattice rectum, directrix, and then you can draw it also, how to draw this curve. So let us start how to approach this type of questions. First of all, we must try to make it a perfect square. So in this we can write as 2y square, I am starting from here, 2y square plus 3y is equal to 4x plus 3. X terms I am sending on that side, divide by 2 because coefficient of x square and y square must be always 1. Remember this point. Coefficient of x square and y square, wherever it comes, it must be always 1. So I will divide both sides by 2. So I will get y square plus 3 upon 2y is equal to, divide by 2. So it will become 2x plus 3 by 2. Now we will make it a whole square. So for making whole square, a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So to make it 2ab, multiply by 2, divide by 2, 3 by 4 y, and then add square of this term. That means 9 upon 16. We will add square of this term to this side also. 2x plus 3 upon 2 plus 9 upon 16. So this can be written in the form of y plus 3y4 whole square, a square plus b square plus 2 times of their product is equal to 2x. We can take LCM there. 2x plus 16 is LCM. 8 into 3. 24. 24 plus 9. So we can write this as 2 is also outside. This is 33. So x plus 33 upon 32. We can write in this form. So if you observe, this is in the form of y square is equal to 4ax. If I take capital Y is equal to y plus 3 upon 4, capital X is equal to x plus 33 upon 32, and 4a is equal to 2. That means a is equal to half. Then this my parabola is converted in the standard form. This is a y square is equal to 4ax. Now I can compare with this. What I have done, I have shifted the origin from 0, 0 to this another point. So now I will write with respect to this new axis and with respect to old axis. Both we will write here. So let us draw first y square is equal to 4ax so that you can easily connect between these two things. Y square is equal to 4ax is parabola of this type. This is capital X, this is capital Y. My original was somewhere else. This is vertex is 0, 0. Focus S is a comma 0 and directrix was x is equal to minus a. This is what I know already. So first point, with respect to new and old, we can make two things here. With respect to new origin and with respect to old, previous one, original. Let us see, with respect to new origin, what is the vertex? In this case, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. But what is x and y I have assumed? So x means x plus 33 upon 32 is equal to 0 and y is equal to y plus y, capital Y is y plus 3 upon 4 is equal to 0. So this gives me that my vertex is minus 33 upon 32 comma minus 3 upon 4. This is the vertex. Focus. So in this case, if you see, focus is capital X, a comma 0. Capital X is equal to a and y is equal to 0. Again we will put value of x. X plus 33 upon 32 is equal to a. A is how much? Half. So from here you can calculate, this gives x is equal to half minus 33 upon 32. So this will give you, calculate this, 16 minus 32, 33. So 16 minus 33 minus 17 upon 32. And y is 0. So y is equal to minus 3 upon 4. Y is equal to minus 3 upon 4. So my focus is now minus 17 upon 32 and minus 3 upon 4. This is the focus. Latus rectum is 4a. So length of latus rectum will be 4a. 4a is how much we have directly calculated here? 4a. 4a is equal to 2. So this will be my length of latus rectum of this. Next point, you can calculate axis. In this case, what is the equation of axis? X-axis. That means y is equal to 0. Capital Y is equal to 0 is the axis. So from here I will get equation of axis. Capital Y is equal to 0 means y is equal to minus 3 upon 4. This is the axis equation. Similarly, you can write equation of directrix. X is equal to minus a. Directrix. Capital X is equal to minus a. So capital X is how much? Capital X. X plus 33 upon 32 is equal to minus a. Remember, a is always positive. So minus a is equal to minus half. So transfer this term this side. You will get, take LCM. So x is equal to, this implies x is equal to minus half minus 33 by 32. So minus 16 minus 33 by 32. Minus 16 minus 33 by 32. So this will give you x is equal to minus 49 upon 32. So equation of directrix is x is equal to minus, this equation is original equation, x is equal to minus 49 upon 32. So in this way we can calculate all points related to this parabola.